Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos, I have a very special, guys. Today, it's a day of everybody waiting for, and it depends the place where you are. Maybe it doesn't have turned to date 14, but in Africa here, it's turned date 14. So it's a day which everybody celebrate, enjoying, and it's bring two peoples together, two peoples in the family together. It's a wife and a husband, or a boyfriend and a girlfriend. But for me, I'm shooting these videos. I want to celebrate with my mom and my family right now here in general. So it indicates everybody to wear red shirts and black trouser or skirt. But for me, I'm for the vibe. I doesn't have the shirt or red shirt, I don't mind, but I'm going to surprise my family in general, because today it's a Valentine Day. Everybody knows, man. And I'm going to do local, but maybe next year, by God's grace, I'll do in maybe a bigger hotel. So I'm trying maybe to chase my dream right, left, center, to make sure that my family, they're on sorry guys, I'll make sure that my family, they're on the next level. So right now, when I'm going maybe to border town, you'll meet maybe people wearing red shirt and black trouser. If there are a woman, red blouse and black skirt. So anyway, guys, I'm so grateful. This is where I'm calling my house, and actually after a few minutes, you'll see with my family enjoying inside here. And I normally take food with my family inside here most of the time. And a day like this, let's see. So guys, sometimes I feel so headache when somebody acquire a job from me, and then he will come when he feel, So the guy who dig the borehole, he didn't come today. One day I will ban him. No business with him one day. So I'm trying to warn him, bro. We sign a contract. Do my work. This week he didn't come. He came only yesterday. And apart from that, guys, so let me go outside to see how things they are. And I supposed to close my house, So today I don't want to talk much the guy who dig the borehole, but sometimes I understand, So let's see. Okay, mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. I bought the collar neck belt for the dog, of which the video is there. Maybe I will release soon, but on today I'm kind of total mess. We celebrate a Valentine Day, and I'll make the videos for the Valentine Day. But the video which I made for purchasing my dog the collar neck belt, just over here. You can tell in the comment section. Look, right here, look. That's Bruno. So I'm heading outside, and as I keep showing you, and one of my subscriber, he was the one who managed that project of digging the borehole. Wherever you are, thank you, sir. Thank you, Jamaican Canadian, sir. Wherever you are, thank you so much. Your project, it's been going good here and there. So most of the time, man, to be honest, I forget maybe to say thank you, mom, thank you, sir, thank you, brother, thank you, sister. Sometimes it's because I'm making videos, but when I'm renewed, my mind flashback, I'll say thank you so much. And on today's videos, I'm showing you the project which I was started earlier, and then I have one of my fans, one of the cutters of subscriber made it possible. Jamaican Canadian, sir, wherever you are, thank you so much. So I'm taking you inside. I want to say hi to mom as we leave. Hey, this is a milk tea right here. Remember, wash utensil, mom. Hello. You good?
You good?
I'm asking you, mama. Uko poa? That's how I mean you good? Yes. How do you feel? So mama, kesho nani jana nilisurprise mama kama wewe. Nikamnunulia shopping kila kitu venye nakufanyaga. Na ni rafiki yangu aliniambia. So guys, I'm trying to tell my mama there is one courtesy of my subscriber made it possible, and most of the time they keep supporting them here and there, digging the borehole, changing the iron sheets, buying furniture. The same person is the one who made it possible yesterday make the shopping. I had somebody knocking the door. Karibu. Somebody knock. Hey, karibu. Vipi man? Fresh. Mama. Unatakeje? Okay. Stop Bruno. Mom. Wacha. Okay. So the guy who dig my brother's land. Iritambe. Bruno, stop it. Okay. I'm telling you, he was the guy who dig my brother's land, like digging, so to make sure the maize are in good shape. So Bruno, stop it. When my dog doesn't know you, they start making noise, making chaos here and there. Okay guys, direct to the point. The same thank you sir, wherever you are, may God bless you. He was the one who made it possible. On my yesterday videos, I take Mary, like one of our women in our village. I take her to border town, making the shopping in the supermarket, buying the fish, rice and everything. So wherever you are, thank you so much. And guys, to be honest, the same person who dig the borehole at Mary's home, change everything, the same person who reached through me. I purchased everything that I want, and for me, I'm so grateful when I see somebody putting something on table. Like when my mama put something on table, why not Mary? They're supposed to put something on table. It's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. And guys, I take your comments seriously right now. So mama, did you remember unajua leo ni Valentine Day? Today's a date 14 guys. I'm telling you man, today is a Valentine Day, and in our village here, maybe we do local. And back here, we didn't celebrate like things like Valentine Day, Maybe when my dad could be alive, they could maybe joining with my mama, enjoying, taking them to the restaurant, eat the food. But on today, it's on Friday, and my brother and my sister went to school, so I supposed to come. We ate the foods, we enjoy. I surprised them with a special gift. Come to my mind, you will see guys, as you keep watching these videos, you will see. So right there, you see how my mama works so hard, washing utensils, preparing lunch here and there, right, left, center. Anyway mom, me I'm heading to border town. Okay. So I'm going to surprise my family today. All my videos, maybe guys, you'll find me in construction at my home, or you'll find me surprising my family. Those two things I'm doing at my home. Maybe sometime I travel, maybe going to Kisumu, Nairobi. Right now I'm thinking to go to Mombasa. Before maybe things happen, maybe when God opened the door, when I want to build my mom's 3-bedroom house, I'll go to Mombasa first, relax like 3 days, I come to my village, and then I boom. One day that house you'll see. So anyway guys, I'm taking you outside to see how the day looks like. First, this is how my birthday gate looks like. Maybe in the future, I'll buy for my mom's a sliding gate, like. Anyway guys, welcome outside of the compound. Anyway guys, today it's a kind of a hot season. Wherever you are, if you're watching these videos, when it depends, maybe it's winter season, I surprise you with summer season from Africa, Kenya, Nyabuhanse village to the world. And right now guys, I was born and raised in Migori County, and my and within Migori County, I'm staying near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Most of the time, I make shopping in border town or Tanzania. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, how do you manage to go in Tanzania? With no passport, with no visa, but I know in East Africa, we can travel with passport. There's no need of visa. Maybe we travel with passport or identity card or immigration letter. You can maybe travel as you can. As long as maybe you have money. Why not? You're supposed to travel. But anyway guys, on today's videos, it's all about Valentine Day. So the guy didn't came. On my yesterday he came, he asked me advance, I give him, and then I'm kind of shocked guys with this guy. He came the following day, he make the construction. I see he proceed good, and then at the end of the day he asked me advance, and I gave him right now I paid him $30 and I keep waiting him. I give him like the last chance. When he mess out, I'll cancel the business. I look for the next guy to dig me. Imagine this week this boreholes, they're supposed to be having water. Look, we have container there, we have jembe. Look, I think you can sit down. It's deep guys, look. But all in well, maybe one day a day like this I'll show you we have what. So guys, before I left home, every day I must check our cow, and I left. You know, my mama, she was washing utensils inside, and then she has a lot of things to do as a household or activity in the house, so I must check the cow. And then as I left home, I'm heading this way guys. Wow. This is another beautiful day. For my premiere again, these videos I will release earlier. Maybe earlier or our exact time. It depends. So I'm heading this way. I'm going to check. Today I'm starting this is a small baby calf right here. This is how African lands looks like. And actually, the good thing about in Africa, especially in my village here, when somebody harvests the maize, you can graze your cow there as you want. When the time reaches when he or she wants to plant or to dig or to prepare the land, you give him or her enough space to prepare the land. So right now, the land have not prepared, so they harvest the maize. So right now it's the time maybe the cow to graze here. Oh, I see this cow have some thick, so I'll go and look the deep maybe next week to wash them. I'll make a videos washing my mom's cows, so it's doing good. Look. Say hello. You don't want to say hello? So I'm heading this way. I see another cow sleeping there, so let's see how they are doing. You know, even the cow are enjoying celebrating Valentine's Day here and there. I'm telling you, even animals today, they're celebrating Valentine's Day because we have both like female and male. They're celebrating a day like this. You haven't realized that animals celebrate, but according psychologically, if you done psychology, like if you done the course of psychologist, animals are celebrating Valentine's Day. This is the bold one. Say hello. You good? You relax, celebrating Valentine's Day. Likewise to Hello Baby Official here. Me, I don't mind to wear like red shirt and black trouser. I'm just flow the vibe, of which I didn't have the red shirt. Maybe next year, by God's grace, I'll prepare myself. Look, they're relaxing, chilling here, celebrating Valentine's Day. Wow, so I'm heading this way. Check the cow. Check the cow, man. Wow. the king of the cow. Of all cows that you see there, I was walking and say hello. Is this one here, their mother. Look. What are you thinking of? Hey, I love this cow because of the color and are not aggressive. I'm telling you. All of our cows that you see are not aggressive. I'm telling you, from this one, the one there, the one are not aggressive. Our friend, you can touch. Look. You touch. There is a day we plan to wash our cow because it has some, I realize it has some tick even right here. So we have another beautiful baby right here. You good? You good? Baby, you good? So guys, after these videos, after we celebrate our Valentine Day with my family, I'll show you the guy who came, asked the Jembe, dig my brother's land where he rented on the other side. Over there. I will show you guys later. But right now I'm keep rushing here and there, showing you amazing view. Oh guys, from a handman to build a nice outdoor pizza tree right here. And I'm supposed to paint the white place because I do on the first undercoat. I'll repeat again to be shine more. Look. Oh guys, through you I have a nice toilet here. I have a nice toilet right here. Look. Wow, for the people who celebrate Valentine, have the red bucket. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, you know what? The reason why I keep storing these harvest this sand, like red sand here, I dig from the toilet, and on my mind I know maybe one day, not maybe, one day God could open the door. Like when my dream comes to reality, working so hard, one day I will build my mom's dream house, 3-bedroom. And I was talking this since maybe last year up to now. And when you focus for something, you will achieve it. I'm telling you, when you dream for something, you'll get it. For example, there is a day I was shooting a videos, guys. To be honest, you know I'm a good storyteller. I was showing you this is how our bathroom looks like in a local way. This is how our toilet looks like. But there's one day I have the visitor from South Africa, and she was my beloved mom. She came to visit me here, and also she was a YouTuber. So she came at my home. I pick up the bus station at night at around 11 p.m. night time over here. That's my local time. I pick her with the motorbike, 2 motorbike, and I brought her to my home. I give her a room to sleep, and then the following day I'll take her around, and we went to the restaurant. He buy for me the juice, I drink, and then he asked me, "Hello baby, where is your bathroom?" Man, I'm telling you, I'm shameless. I have the visitor where they could go and use. But the good thing she told me, don't worry, I know the village lifestyle. And I show her right there. That's our bathroom. Actually, guys, I'm going there. I'll show you. We have the bathroom, which covered by the polythene paper and 4 posts. And it's like fall down. It's like coming closer. Neat. I show her. She told me, I'm just okay with this. And according to my mind, I said, okay, maybe one day I'll build a toilet and bathroom just over here. So I was giving you an example. If you achieve the goal and you go harder through, God will open the door and your dream come to reality. Look over here. So this is what we are enjoying. I'm telling you, this is what we're enjoying right now here. And my family, it's somehow at large. So technically they are extended family. We have grandma, we have my uncle, we have my cousin, we have my aunt, we have my relative, you know, all over. And especially we share this toilet with my mom and my family. Likewise to my grandma and my uncle and my cousin and my aunt. But soon my uncle have the project right there, and I was telling you every day I support them in terms of sand, balance stones, pipe for them, maybe doing everything. And I said, okay, you know what, because I use this toilet, we have the pipe that are remaining, take this one, we have the sand, take, we have the balance, take, and then it's go up to that way. I'll show you. So me, I'm trying to advise people who want to build. First thing that we're going to build, to construct, is a borehole and a toilet. And then when you start building, maybe the mason can maybe go and excuse themselves in the toilet, bathing there, fetching water from the borehole to the construction site. And it's my big aim to have the borehole around at my home. And the reason why I've been maybe fetching water there, bring here. Maybe when God maybe open another door, maybe next year, I'll buy a huge solar and motor. We generate water from the borehole, and we have maybe a small tank at the back, and then we put water go inside, and then we flush water in the toilet. We use a shower in the bathroom. Why not? But everything happen with its time, with its reason. You know, imagine guys, from the handman to build this toilet here. And guys, I'm not perfect enough, but I take your comments serious. You've been advising me, hello baby, the village where you came from, you are the first guy to have a nice toilet, of which I recommend on that. You know, we built a nice toilet which maybe can attract so many people, and then maybe young generation can copy from you, you know. So anyway guys, let me show you that bathroom we are using initially as we keep going around. So this one you can buy, one tipper goes to $60. And hello baby, use the money to dig the toilet and then storing here. The same procedure. I dig, I have the project of the construction of the borehole. Thank you, Jamaican, Canadian, sir, wherever you are. May God bless you. Your project is under construction, you know. Me, I just give thanks for the person who keeps supporting maybe a project like this. And for the remaining subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Imagine 1,000, maybe 100% of the subscriber, amongst of them, one came with a new idea to have the project of the borehole, you know. Wow, you are amazing, good subscriber to me. Let's go. We keep exploring. And the good thing, that toilet, it's under avocado shade right here. And then maybe I'll make this, like when you go down, I'll make the place where they can wash utensils, clothes, and hanging clothes here. This is the part of our compound. Maybe in future it could be inside of the compound, you know. Hey mama, what are you eating? Kwani murugire? Eh? Oh, wana mahindi lakini.
Maribwa.
Neki hang. This is a local food, brown food. With the veggies which I was showing you there. Okay mama, you enjoy. Obata ibanganya? So guys, okay mama. So I'm telling my mama, when my sister arrived with my brother, tell them to wait me some few minutes. So let me show you our initial bathroom which we have using recently time. Okay, just over here. Look guys, I'm telling you, this is the village lifestyle here. Look, you can tell it's a polythene paper with 4 posts. Look, even down here. I'm telling you guys, this is a polythene paper. We was taking shower here, like bathing, not shower guys, bathing here. We put a basin here, soap, and then we squat on these stones. We bathe. But everything, it's happened with its own time. When God say yes, nobody can say no. When God say yes, nobody can say no. When God say yes, nobody can say no. You know, Or when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. God bless Hello Baby Official here. And me, I'm not perfect, guys, enough to my family, but I keep grinding so hard. And I say, God, thank you so much for giving me these opportunities to serve my family, to serve my community. And God bless me, you know. I know maybe for Jamaicans say, God bless Hello Baby Official. Big up. Thank you a million. Thank you. And for my entire world, for my good subscribers from US, UK, Caribbean, Bahamas, Texas, everywhere, from all over the world. My God bless you abundantly by keep supporting me, watching my videos every day. I know maybe I sound maybe US or Texas or Caribbean or Jamaica. I haven't went there, but I'm here just watching on TV. People went there like bigger vlogger, you know. But even me one day I could be there. So right now, let me serve for my family. When maybe in the future I'll start traveling, I'll go around the world. When I came back home, at least my mom have a good space to stay. At least I have I have a small house to live, you know. That is it. So imagine. And then we demolish the toilet, we build as a septic. We have 2 rooms right now here. You know, it's because of the money or financial. And my uncle already have the cement, like 2 bags. Maybe she was looking the money for the labor, because at the same time when I'm hustling, like going around through my village, also my uncle hustling. He was a border rider, you know. And right now in our village, most like 99% people have the motorbike. Maybe a day you can make $3, and he has a family. The family need to eat. The kids want to go to school, you know. So he tried to balance, maybe to manage, to brought bricks here, cement, you know. Sometimes maybe people will ask me, hello baby, why your uncle's project stop? You know, it stopped with reason, you know. So he will make the family to have something on the table. At the same time, when he make maybe $5 a day, the motorbike need a gas. The kids need to put something on the table. As the kids want to go to school, you know. And in our village here, you can eat twice per day. There's maybe normal mornings are normal day. We eat noon time and supper, and you made $5. How comes? But all in well, me, I'm just promoting my family. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my video. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And I'm showing you these things or this project or this material for the first people or for my new subscriber right here. These stones that I bought, and maybe people will shock, hello baby, you bought at us at the same time. No, I'm telling you, what, maybe a month I will purchase maybe 1 tip or 2 tippers, and then next month I'm willing to purchase, because not every month I get money. You know, I'm the guy who like thinking big, focus ahead. You know, like think like dreaming big, work hard for it. So I bought this construction material, and it's 6 rory right here as I speak. It's 6 rory, you know. So I bought them, and then each trip goes to $60. 60. You calculate 60 times 6, that's $360, roughly 400, you know. So let's go this way and show you. These are remaining stuff from the banana. At the same time, it's bananas fruits or matoke fruits, and then this one the cow eats. Look. Anyway, guys, this is the back of my grandma. That's my dad's home. One day I will change the narrative, and right there I have my baby. So guys, I'm heading to border town, and that being said, on my last or on my yesterday videos, today is I think it's date 4. like day 4, not day 4, day 4, since I make my hairstyle, the guy told me, or the salonist told me, it took you 4 days and you start wearing the helmet. After this, I'm going to wear my helmet because I want to protect my head or to protect my life. So I have my baby right here. It's waiting me under the shade, under this beautiful shade. And guys, remember that land, it's on sale. You know, it's 1 hectare, and the owner will sell you with plus trees. That right there I'm pointing, guys. So let's go. And I pick my helmet. So right now it's hot. I'll never wear the jacket like yesterday because I'm not driving at a higher speed. I'm driving at my normal speed or maximum speed. So right now, let's go. Okay guys, as you enjoy these videos, please stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, guys. Let's enjoy our Valentine Day, guys. Let's do this. Oh guys, so I came to wear my helmet right here. Oh. Just a minute, guys. Maybe my helmet will indicate Valentine Day. It's red. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, me, I'm not the guy who ignores things. Like, okay, wearing the helmet, doing this, you know. So right now I'm heading to Border Town. And it's lunchtime. So my brother and sister is waiting me to celebrate this day together. Wow. So my baby is waiting me at other side. Maybe when I'm saying my baby, people confused. My baby's motorbike. Whatever you are, bro, thank you so much, Mom Kia, for buying my motorbike. You know, I'm so grateful, you know, to have my own motorbike. These videos, it's raw and uncut. It starts from my home, roaring around up to Border Town. Guys, don't worry, soon I'll change the content. I'll take you to Nairobi one day. Personal. No one will take me there. Because, maybe I think I will travel maybe morning so I can able to film the videos, you know. Okay guys, first I must to put the bike neutral. This one are not working. See there, guys. Guys, I'm go right now up to Border Town, you know, with my beautiful baby here. Guys, surprise is a surprise. Let's go and do this. I left my home over there. I'm heading this way. Let's go. Keep rolling this camera to the end. Nenda wapi? Nenda Sirai. Say hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
Guys, today it's a crazy day. I didn't expect to find a YouTuber right here.
I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Clinton Explorer here, guys. I just met Hello Baby. Nilikuwa najua hizi ndo area zako by the way. Nishaitembea huko.
Unaona ndicho iko pale.
Eh. What a coincidence. Me, I was just having a walk. I was tired of sitting in the house, so I decided let me have a walk. I see this other part of Nyabohanse. This side is not Nyabohanse.
Don't say it. It's located near the border between border and Nyabohan.
Aha. The village is it Rokere?
No.
This is
Also, maybe it's between Sibani and Nyabohan.
okay. That's awesome, man. Guys, subscribe to the channel. This is Hello Baby's channel. Please subscribe, support your man. Amazing, man, amazing.
You know me, I know how to drive and holding the camera.
Yeah, I can see you know how to multitask. You are driving the motorbike as well as vlogging,
Yes,
man.
all my videos. I'm going at my own pace. No speed. No speed, go on.
This is great. This is awesome.
Okay. Anthony, long time, man.
Long time, bro, long time.
Yes.
But we normally meet.
Yes, we meet
We
at
normally meet,
Nyabohan.
occasionally meet.
Maybe off camera.
Yeah, but yes, exactly, off camera. But this today was coincidence.
Yes. Here we have the funeral. When you see banana planted maybe alongside the road, we have the funeral there.
Okay. Is this the same road leading to Club Joseph's shop?
Yes, Club Joseph is just here.
I think I've gone to this side.
Yes. Okay. I'll show you Club Joseph's home.
Amazing, amazing.
This side.
This side?
This is the house.
I can see. Yeah, and the good thing is you guys are also connected to the electricity.
That one.
Super amazing. And this the road.
Yes. Even Brother Dagi, here. That house that you see.
Yeah, I can see.
On this flower garden is the entrance. There. Yes. Well guys, I keep showing you amazing view. It's green everywhere, but at the center it's somehow dust. That's how we have poor road in Africa here, especially in my village. When I'm
This is a local road.
yeah. But you know, places like Europe,
Yes.
man, I'm telling you, they have a nice road. Tarmac
For sure,
one.
come on. Europe is a like developed country.
Imagine from your
Us we are still like that one country.
from your house, you step to the tarmac, you drive your car.
Exactly. Immediately you step out of the house, it's tarmac.
Yes.
Or cabros.
Yes, no muddy house. Road like this. Even here Lamborghini can't pass. I'm telling you.
So this is like Maram Road.
Yes, Maram Road.
There's a dump site around this area.
Yes. Oh, daytime the dump sites are not smelly. But at night time, I'm telling you guys, you'll never pass here. Night time. Because right now, the sun is burning that dust or rubbish. During at night,
Yes.
it releases the air outside.
So
Oh,
it's very smelly.
smelling at night.
Man. But now you're thinking that the kind of things like our county government needs to look into.
Imagine, we pay tax and are not far. I'll show you an example. We pay tax. Within here, guys, we pay tax, we have poor road, and some villages.
Like that dump site is not well managed.
Imagine.
Very, very
Here,
very,
the tarmac.
Problems we face here in Africa.
Yes. Not Africa, in our village here.
In Nyabohanse.
You know, other villages are very developed. See
For
here,
sure, for sure.
they got tax here. I'm telling you.
The area.
Me, I don't care. Yes, they collect tax over there. And then we have poor road. Imagine guys. I'm showing you. Even this is the signboard of collection tax.
At least now you have tarmac here.
Yes.
So you can't complain that
Yeah.
they are doing something.
Yes. And this tarmac road,
Yes.
they were being built by the colonists, 19th century, up to now.
Up to now.
Up to now. You know, it starts from Tanzania up to Migori. And then from Migori, it comes from, I think, from Tanzania. It connects East Africa. Imagine this road that you see. Wow, let's go. These are government car right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's do this. Guys, I'm trying to look maybe one lady or a man who wearing the red shirt and black trouser skirt. It's a Valentine Day.
Yeah, but don't take a Valentine. What are you surprising? Who are you surprising today?
Me, I will
Mama, but I know you love your mama so much.
Yes, me, I will surprise my mama.
Which is very good.
Yes.
Family always comes first.
Hey, see this car. Woo.
Then other people can go.
Yes, that's a cake. I'm trying to look one people I show as an example. This is border town for you.
Now we are approaching the border town.
Yes. Whoa, motorbike have an umbrella. Crazy. I'm looking the guy for the Valentine to show you as an example.
Let's see what is happening here at the border town.
People are moving up and down. Walking. I'm heading this way. I'm going to look for the flower and surprise my family. Let's see how my family think of on today's vlog. Let's go and see. The car stuck there, guys. So I'm going to buy the flower and surprise my family, I'm telling you. So I went up, I didn't find them. Let's look down here. Down here, guys. Wow, we have Equity and the Cooperative Bank at the same house doing business. Wow. Hey, Audi. Woo. That's Audi. Today is a remembered day. Woo. Let's look. I see. Right. Me, I will park my bike here. Soon to be there.
Alright.
I don't want to talk about piki. First thing. Oh. Hey. As I'm trying to do this. Maybe here.
You want to buy some flowers?
Yeah, some flowers. for my family.
Okay.
Maybe njoo dada tusikilizane hapa. Kwani YouTube ni mbaya?
Anasema ndio waende YouTube.
Hapo.
Haya.
Si mimi na point 200.
Mimi nasema hii ni 250 hizi kubwa. 350.
This one goes to $3. Crazy. $2.50. Haya.
But they are beautiful flowers. Look at them. I'm sure your mother is very happy.
Not my mother. But my
Is it
family.
your girlfriend?
No. Mimi sina girlfriend bana, nichagulie hapo. Excuse kata.
Maybe you can ask the ladies. Which one would you choose? Which one would you choose?
Nipeleke. Lady know how
Let
to
her
choose.
help you to choose.
Huyu labda hata anaweza patana mzungu apate chance aende ugopa kamera.
Ni mrembo by the way.
Gani ndiko sawa? Hii
Okay. Super.
nina bei ya chini, si ndio? Siwezi kurekodi jamani. They fear camera guys, I'm telling you.
So how much is this?
Na record
200?
200.
Okay. 200, that's about
Okay, I will pay you the money. Ni 200, washasema 200. Haya, nipe change sasa. Sikurekodi. You fear the camera. Yeah, this is the surprise which I came for. Haina shida. The surprise which I came for my family. Surprise them in Valentine Day. Goes to $3 guys. I bought right there. Okay. Now guys, I'm back home after from border town. Actually, this is what I'm going to surprise my family, and I have a lot of things to eat. Maybe enjoy with fruits. And when I'm going to border town, actually, in my deeply village, I found one of the YouTuber, which I didn't expect, but it's by God's grace. I give him a shout out, and he was saying thank you to you guys. Support. With the Howard. So that's my family right there. So we're going to eat fruit. Although my brother, you know, he was rushing up here and there. So probably me, I will surprise my mom and my sister. Valentine Day. Things are inside here. So let's see the reaction from my mom and my sister. Mama, Japon. Shikeni wote. Fungueni. That's what I surprise you in Valentine Day. Hey. Hey. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yes. You have ready? Umekula? Hujakula bado? Hujakula? Okay, matunda hogari. Let's go and eat. Well guys, okay mama, you can. Okay guys, I surprised them with a gift for Valentine Day. I know maybe they were being new of these things. Even me, I myself, I was new, but maybe next year by God's grace I'll do it in a restaurant. So right now, like I expect maybe I could find my brother, but he eat quick and run to school. So I need to eat my family the fruits and enjoy here and there. Anyway guys, welcome to my home. Leta matunda. Oh. Yeah, you must wash your hand. Okay guys. Oh man. Anyway guys, this is my house, and I surprised my family with this beautiful flower right here. Maybe I'll do this. Maybe my family one day they could remember these videos, or maybe one day when my sister get maybe older, they could remember. One day my brother do this. Oh my God. Okay, we got to enjoy these fruits as we go. Right here. This for the Valentine Day. Also indicate we have red watermelon, we have papaya, we have mango, you know, but it's self-serving. Everybody, they can serve himself or herself as the time that they want to eat, you know. Wow. Guys, I'm hungry. I'm hungry like a dog. No, not a dog, guys. Sorry. I'm hungry like a goat. You know, I want to maybe to differentiate my habit to the dog. No. When a goat is hungry, it say like meh. Meh. Okay, that's my mama. Sitaki kunita unitahira kuya mati ende ngogera. Icho nena nyine tari na muda. Okay guys, we want to wash our hand. Leta maji. Uwawe.
Kana tibita tuwi.
Oh. Look guys, look. Okay. Here, let me wash my hand. I normally share my food with my family, guys. It's a Valentine Day. We celebrate locally in local way. Guys, they're washing hands, you know. So as you eat, me, I'm washing my hand already. Oh, guys, let me pray for my foods that are on the table right now here. God bless my food that are in front of my table, that I'm going to enjoy with my family. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Enjoy. How manana mkono? Kula. If you don't want to use a spoon, eat. These are pineapple. That's my cousin. Amontora. This is watermelon, guys. Wangu chako. Tahini bia usiku ya mwega mama. Hey. Ben. Namu hali bibi musiri. Kura? Kura na mkono wewe, usiogope. These are papaya, guys. I'm telling you. No. You know, mango and papaya the same, similar. I'm telling you. Man, it's by God's grace. I'm telling you. Everybody's full right now here. We eat the fruits. Me, I'm just okay. I need to escort my sister because of time here and there. I don't want maybe to waste her time. So let's go. Mama, thank you for your good service. Bye. This is a happy Valentine to my family, guys. Right now, you're going to cheza hiyo. I'm escorting my sister. Yes. I'm telling mom bye. I'm escorting my sister. Guys, because I'm not driving at a longer distance, let me escort my sister. Okay, quick and fast. Sister, you went and that. Nayeb. Hey. Huh? Na wakurusi. Acha kuvaa socks, vaa yeba zenyewe tuende. I'm telling my sister right now, it's noon time, kind of hot. Right now we are in summer season. She's supposed to wear the yebo and open shoes. So I'm escorting her. On Saturday, I'll go to buy you a bag. Yeah. I'll take you to Border Town. You have your bag. Hey, that's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Say subscribe to my brother.
Subscribe to my brother.
Hello.
Hello.
Nani? Hello.
Hello to my brother.
Hello baby.
Yes.
Subscribe to Hello baby. Sometimes, guys, I feel like to make jokes with my sister. You know, we have only one sister, so I love her too much. And when I was not around here, like a day when I went to Nairobi, she asked my mom, when did my brother came? Mom, when did my brother came? Because she know like when I'm around here, I give her the small coin to eat, maybe mandazi, you know, things like that. Well guys, I'm turning the bike to the normal position. Okay, get in. It's time to go with my sister to school. Alright guys, after enjoying the food with my mom and sister, probably my brother rushed to school. I didn't find him, so we enjoy. Me, anyone who I found at home, immediately I take action. Like for example, my brother, he was not around, you know. Let's go. Because up to nowadays, me guys, I fear people have been embracing me at my home, and even guys like to pick people's kids on the road. Somehow like I'm scared to take them, you know, because people threaten me in bad way in my village here. They call me Illuminati, but I believe in God. I'm not a Illuminati. I'm just hustling. Imagine guys, from morning up to evening, shooting the videos, and then because people in my village, they have been full of jailers. They try to embarrassing me, calling me a Illuminati. And for me, for real, I believe in God. Nothing could be like that. Let's go. Let's go. Up to my sister's school, where she will study with my brother. That's how we go. With my sister at the back. Hey, man, me, I love the way you love my family and my sister. I love my sister also too. Let's go. And she arrived at a good time, right on time. Within here, see other kids are going to school, and then after that I'll take a U-turn. Sasa hii mpaka kesho. Nenda ambia wapatie. Nenda darasani. The teacher been chasing them. Like they need, okay, well, sure. They didn't mean to buy them ice cream, but probably the teacher came and we didn't manage to buy for them like ice cream, you know. I have some coins. Okay guys, apart from that, story from another day, I'm going this way and I'm going to Brother Dagi. I think to take a U-turn or I use a tarmac road, but let me take a U-turn. Guys, I would never use the tarmac road because it's far away. Let me take a U-turn. you'll see me in the bush going to Brother Dagi. I want to say hello to him. Right? Stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm passing here. It was my first time to pass here with the camera. Actually, going to Brother Dagi after escorting my sister to school. So we're heading this way. Alright guys, I was going to Brother Dagi and then my neighbor, the part of my family, calling me. Actually, it's not my neighbor. They're my family member. They're calling me right there. I was passing there. And then his home is right here. So maybe they can introduce himself. Hey, they are being well fenced. Barbed wire. No entrance. Mason, Manatoak. We have cement here. And 50 kg, one bag like this goes to 10 USD. Me, I'm sharing with you the price right here.
Hello guys,
You good?
welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hello Baby channel. Sorry for that. My good name is Master 254. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly go subscribe. I have so many amazing videos there. So Hello Baby was just passing through that.
Over there, guys.
We were just going to Brother Dagi. You know, we are just coming from Nyabohanse village. So we are just living at nuclear. You know, when you go to social study, you just understand that.
Nuclear family.
Yeah. So
Maybe your home is here, my home is there, my uncle's home is there, nuclear family.
So I'm just, he was just passing there, so I just decided to call him to come and give me a shout out to his channel. You know, Hello Baby is a YouTuber, you know that. So,
I'm a YouTuber, guys. Also, you are a YouTuber.
I'm also a YouTuber. So if you just want to watch my videos, you can go just join to my live, to my
YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel. You go there, have so many amazing videos. You go and enjoy. So today I will just building this latrine.
Let me show you.
A toilet.
It's a toilet.
You know,
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
If you build a tall building or a villa without a toilet, you are nothing.
Okay.
Toilet first.
Then guys, you can see in the morning I just started by laying those layers, as you can see, and I've just reached here. So we are just going to wind up because it's almost 4 p.m. We go to resting point. So
Yes.
I really appreciate Hello Baby for giving a shout out. Please go subscribe to my channel. I'm just moving well. I'll be much appreciated, guys.
You are in Kenya Rural Roads Authority.
Yeah.
And in our village here we have poor road. Me, I would never tolerate to the government of Kenya. We have poor road in our village. Why not? Other people are enjoying soft life. So it's 2-room master.
So you're just going to
Brother Dagi. Yes, I see you construct 2 rooms.
Yeah, 2 rooms.
Mbona umefinya bafu sana?
Hiyo bafu iko sawa. You know, when you just someone is just coming to bed, he's just coming like this way. So I'm just going to build something here. Like I'm just going to put like 2 columns. Then someone will be just coming.
Ngoja
with the
nikwambie
basin.
Mwita, extend hicho hata na tofali mbili mbele. Hata ungaine. Hakuna sehemu utaweka maji.
Chino tichi nani mahaniga. Eno bao. Umonta atora hanidi.
Sasa, for example, let me tell you, if you have a visitor and she was pregnant, they can manage to take shower there.
So you suggest that I add 1 column here.
Let me show
Or
you.
2 columns.
Tayangira mantoka mega fazi. At least unaona hivi hii kitu si kubwa higo. Hata na watu ribira hano unapata allowance ya kuoga uresuria. Mfano hivyo ndeka minyamu. Tamahera uwe.
Sasa ntole hajiga matofali hivi.
Guys,
So
this 5 feet and just to be 6 feet at least, maybe you have allowance to put a basin and you can take maybe.
You know, guys, I really appreciate visitors. You know, Hello Baby was just passing there. I'm a big mason, but he has just come to consult
Yeah, I'm
me.
telling you.
He has just told me that he has just built her toilet in her home. So he just advising me that I add 2 bricks here. So
Like
that,
this one, you add 2.
So that when the measurement comes, it comes 6 foot. It comes like this.
Where 6?
This,
you see where I put the
6
bricks?
feet.
Okay,
So,
go and touch the bricks there.
Down
you
here.
see? You see?
Yeah.
I'm accurate. Okay.
So guys.
Okay, yours is 5 feet. Put inside here a basin, for example. Assume we are taking shower.
Taking this. Let
Put
me take
there.
this basin.
Okay.
And put
Guys,
it here. So
let's see. You see?
this is
Okay.
practical, guys. Practical.
Okay. Here, you put a door.
Yeah.
Here.
But let's say this door will be open going that way.
Okay, no problem.
Outside.
And person watching you bathing inside. Or we have
So-
a porch here.
This will be a porch. I'll put that in the pavement there.
Even you can put, it's too small. Put.
Someone will be bathing like this. You know, toilet is a place where you can just come bathe 2 minutes, you go outside.
Higher. Plaster. Maybe for example, you want to tile your wall. Allowance.
So what do you suggest?
Add 2 steps like this one. 1, 2. At least here you can put your basin. For example, here is the door.
Okay.
You have
Then
allowance there.
Then you
Stand
can stand
here.
like
There.
this.
You see?
So
At
then,
the back.
then you can just
rotate.
You can rotate like this,
Yes.
going this way.
Hey,
and
if
you can
you are
stand even
scratching
here.
with some stuff, scratching your body, round. Yeah, I'm telling
So
you.
guys, you see, these are very important people. This guy was just passing there. He was just going on the way, going to Brother Dagi. But I really appreciate for the advice. So I just called him, but we have just come with a good advice. So I'm just going to add
You
2
add.
bricks here. You know what was just hindering me?
Yeah.
It's all about cement. You know, cement nowadays is 1,000. So I was just squeezing that expensive.
Okay, this one you can build at your own pace. If you maybe have 2 bags of cement, you can build when it's rich, when it's enough, and then you pause. When you get, you push. That's the way I build my toilet.
So guys, I really appreciate for the advice. So go to comment section. You can just give us more ideas concerning my compound. You know, this is my compound, Master 254. So I really started with a small beginning, but I'm just knowing that I'm just going fast. So,
And on TikTok?
Master 254. Go follow me. Master 254. So go TikTok, search me. I'm Master 254 on YouTube. Master
Comedian.
254, the comedian. In the village, they normally call me Master 254. Thank you very much, guys.
Okay, guys.
Go watch this video.
I'm heading to Brother Dagi right now. Guys, I'm passing here after my family member, one of my family member calling me. He was a YouTuber by the name Master 254. So I'm heading to Brother Dagi. Let's go. Let's go. That's my home right there. Actually, I'm heading this way. I'm taking a U-turn. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Maybe on today's videos, I made maybe Brother Dagi will be the 3rd person on YouTube to give them the shout out. You know? Okay. I'm rolling my camera to the end. Oh my God. Passing here, it's crazy. Let's go. I'm passing at Claude Joseph's home right here. See right here. Even the bulletproof house. That one there. We go. These videos, it's a confirmation. Up to Brother Dagi's home. You have the goats right here. You can tell. Wow. Anyway guys, I'm almost to be at Brother Dagi's place. We have achieved a local school right here. Get the control. Whether I found him or not yet. One. Dag. Bahati yake mbaya. Brother Dag is not around, guys. So I'll go back home. So maybe he has a bad lucky day. For me, let me show the construction site. Mogiki nyiri. Ewe ni sirekan. Zatare uru kita ruhikiri.
Ruhikiri hano to bujenga ndani mono.
Nata noro tambi.
Tambi. Nori hano ruhikiri.
Akina arnom buyar. So these are like a small porch. So brother Dag is not around here, guys. I'll end my videos, but it's good to show you the progress that he was running our project within here. Telling you. Back in a church. What a church can I
Brana utebe ni shida nena yo. Nakoro como se de tamanho na sua betafari.
Imagine one hand man.
The day you want to start your work.
One hand man, two mason, other hand man run away. Look. Like one master serving many people. Anyway, other mason, he was a driver, went to brother Dagi. So other handman are struggling here. But it is what it is. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I want to end my video here. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. And my tomorrow's videos, I'll take my mom to shopping center. So they will pick some stuff that she want to pick. And then on Saturday also, on Sunday, you'll see guys. This week up to Monday, it's surprise after surprise. So guys, much greeting from here. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's video. So bye.